Welcome to 5777 Hammock Drive in the Vineyards. I wanted to point out some of the highlights of this house, specifically this great room. When you first walk in the double door entry, you have this excellent space that is very versatile. As you can see, the current homeowners have 3 separate living spaces set up within this one space, which, by the way, is blanketed in tile, and up above has really high ceilings with tray accents. So in the front here, they use it as a living area. Then you have a dining room space, followed by a family room. So this is great for casual everyday living and for entertaining. And all of it flows right out to the pool and spa, where you'll also find a built-in barbecue and a half pool bath. Very private views from here out over the lake, across to the landscaping. Nice and private. Plenty of covered area for outdoor dining. There's your barbecue for the grill master. There's another view of that great room. Like I said, it's just a beautiful space. And hard to believe, but yes, the owners do live here full time, and it is so immaculately kept. Kitchen right over here off to the side with granite counters, a huge island, lots of cabinetry. In addition, there's also a nice sized pantry in the hallway, just steps away. Spacious breakfast area with this seamless window that looks out over the pool. Great spot for coffee. Through those double doors is your master suite. At the front of the house is a guest bedroom that accesses a full bath. Also on the other side of the home is a full guest suite. And then additionally, you have a den that would work perfectly as an office area, maybe another TV room. Another highlight is this home has a brand new roof as of the fall of 2019, giving you some peace of mind. And all this for $899,000, again at 5777 Hammock Drive in the Vineyards, and the furnishings are available if you are interested.